Hey, I'm Justin Case, and I am here at ETHDenver. We're specifically at the IoTeX Real World event, and I'm here with Professor Lambo.
Yep.
Yeah.
What up, Justin?
How's it going? How you doing?
I'm good.
You good?
Good.
Have you been here for a long time? How long have you been out here for ETHDenver?
ETHDenver.
Yeah.
Came here 2 days ago. Just been vibing.
So you are what, the CEO, or what should it be called for this project?
Chief Entropy Officer.
Chief Entropy Officer. So we're talking about entropy right now. It's I mentioned this on a previous video. I think it was the last thing I talked about. It was an interesting project that someone was talking to me about, and I was lucky to get in touch with the professor here. And can you tell us about the project so people can get an idea of what it is specifically?
Well, Entropy is a project where we do a whole lot of nothing. So, you may... Here's an interesting thing here, maybe for your viewers. It says tired of memes. We're not tired of memes because we believe everything is really a meme in the end. And one of the memes is DePIN, right?
Right.
And a lot of people are trying to build DePINs that are sustainable. A lot of people are trying to build DePINs that are just DePINs. And we decided to meme it a little bit. And what we do is what's called like a pure DePIN. And in a pure DePIN, you don't have a supply and demand problem like a lot of other DePINs do, because we don't have any demand. What we do is we give you a device, or you buy one. We give you a binary that you flash on like a device, tiny device like this, and very cheap as well. And then you flash that binary, and then you send us noise, just random data. We do nothing with that. We send you a token back. And right now, people are earning about $5 a day.
Nice. So this is a meme coin, first of all, the token.
It is a meme coin, but it's also a DePIN.
Okay.
So it's both.
So you do have a device. You do plug it in. It does send information somewhere.
Yes, it sends it to our backend. I would say our backend is, I would say, rivals 99% of DePINs out there. A lot of you can see a lot of our work on the front end as well. You'll see that the smart contracts that we build, all of that stuff is just as good as anybody else. So we are a real DePIN.
So I got to say, I went to their website. I was trying to onboard. Actually, right here, I was trying to figure it out over in the corner. I first went to your Discord channel, which is what it suggested. Didn't have the information. Couldn't find it there. I was really surprised. I thought it would be under rules or someplace easy. Then I went to their Reddit. Their Reddit actually has a list of many steps in order to mine. I think it starts out with becoming a prospector, which requires a number of things. One of them is buying some tokens for the project, the meme coin, right?
Yeah, so our rules do change from time to time, and we do try to keep it mysterious. It is entropy after all, and who knows what entropy really is?
Okay.
Is it a thing, or I would say it's nothing, because entropy is literally the absence of information.
Fair enough.
It's a definition of nothing.
Okay.
So we do try to keep it kind of mysterious, because who knows why all this works?
Okay.
I don't know. I don't understand it either.
Okay.
I'm here at the real world event. Everyone's telling me, it's all about making revenue. Literally zero revenue. People are making some money, so it's quite mysterious.
I hear what you're saying.
And when you enter our Discord, we try to let you know.
Right.
Let you know that it's going to be a little mysterious here.
But it's a very interesting concept for a DePIN project. The
100%.
idea that you're really not doing anything, yet you're making crypto at the end of the day.
Yeah, which has a market value.
Yeah,
for some
has a
reason.
market value.
It has no real value, but it has a market value.
Right, but no crypto has any real value per se.
Yeah, in the end, true. What is value?
Right.
Does anything have value in the end? It's a deeply philosophical question, and I'm happy that our community is kind of taking a step forward and answering it in a very practical way.
Now I'm going to put the link to the Discord in the description below. But I went to the Discord and I was really confused.
All right.
So please explain to me what the chair in Snake is all about.
Chair and the Snake. So, well, Chair is just being a really good miner, because what we do is when you mine, you have to give us your wallet, and then you claim your earnings at
Okay.
least every 7 days.
Okay.
And then you put on your wallet, and then our expectation is that you're going to hold on to that nothingness that you mined. We give it to you, it's your responsibility to hold on to it. If you don't hold on to it, well, we're going to restrict you from mining. So a lot of people don't understand that when they first enter. They learn pretty quickly.
Okay.
And we call that the second law because, the second law of thermodynamics is entropy can't decrease. So we're giving this entropy to you, don't decrease it.
Okay.
You're breaking the law by doing that.
Interesting.
So chairs are those that can obey the second law. The people that you can trust that
They're stable.
They're chairs, exactly.
Chairs. Okay.
So we just a lot of the time we just say we riff on it. We say you can come pull up a chair and just sit.
Okay.
That's all we want you to do as a miner. Put that device in the corner. My device. I've been mining since day one.
Okay.
By the way, there's no founder allocation here. I'm a miner just like you, and I have put it in the corner and. It's there. It's mining.
Okay.
And it's been doing that without fault since August.
Okay.
So that's the expectation of you as a miner. Put it in a corner, leave it there, sit down, and just enjoy and claim every 7 days.
Okay.
And snakes are the opposite of chairs. Snakes. Nothing against snakes. We've caught a lot of snakes in our time in the server, and we understand that that they make their decisions. But snakes are those who jeet, or some people say yeet. So they are the ones that can't keep their entropy. They can't keep their entropy in their in their wallet. They gotta get rid of it.
Okay. And people are just posting photos of snakes and chairs, is what I've seen.
Yeah, those two channels are all just about vibing with the snake in the chair.
Okay. I just wanted to pull up, and I'm trying to find it right now, the rules that I'm saying to join. And once again, this is on Reddit. This information is on Reddit. So it said join Discord, and then complete the prospector role requirements. So just so you guys know, right here on the video, how to go through this process. One is to acquire 150,000 ENT tokens. So you should be able to.
I can go a little more detail about this. It's not right now. We've closed submissions.
Okay.
So typically, what you have to do. Let's work it backwards, right?
Okay.
So you're a miner. So what do you have to do to be a miner? Well, you got to get that binary, and the binary you flash on the device. Well, of course, then you got to have a device.
Right.
Okay. So how do you get the device? You buy it.
Yeah.
And how do you get the binary? Well, you got to get the miner role in the Discord. That's the thing that people most have trouble with, getting that miner role. And when we have a season open for newcomers, typically what we do is we make a big announcement on our X account.
Okay.
And there we say, okay, the new season of Miners Dig Holes is open, because obviously miners dig holes, right?
Right.
And the expectation is for you to go outside and dig a real hole.
Yeah, no, I got that step 3, dig a hole. Yeah.
And but to actually be able to submit your hole for review,
Okay.
we want you to just buy some ENT and also one of our NFTs, which literally costs 1 cent.
When I saw this, I realized I don't have, because you have to post this in your Twitter, X, whatever you call it, feed. I don't have one. I'm not even on Twitter, so I'm going to join Twitter. Just for you guys and for him, so I can join this.
Post a picture
so I can post the picture of my hole. So you guys will see that shortly.
So,
but go on, sorry.
But we're not trying to earn money off of the 150. This is not a fee.
Oh, no. I saw the amount. I mean, it's
not even about the amount.
Yeah.
It's you can dump that as soon as you get the miner rule.
Okay.
It's just about showing that you have enough money to be serious to join, because before we instituted that,
right,
we were getting a lot of people just click, submit. We got it. We just needed a very.
You just wanted to make a fun process in order to become a miner, right? And I think that 150,000 ENT was $5-6 or something. So it's
currently it's $6.
Yeah. So it definitely isn't a lot. I just didn't know where to buy it, as I was showing you earlier.
Well, we're on Solana's.
They're on Solana, so you should be able to maybe trade some of your HNT, which is getting HNT is doing pretty well. Not really, but getting up there. But get rid of that mobile because it's useless.
Right.
So trade that for some.
It's just as useless
some
as the
ENT.
NT.
Yeah. And then we got to verify
it's a
ownership
like-for-like
and purchase a required NFT. I'm gonna have to try to take a look at the NFT.
So those are
process.
drip NFTs.
Okay.
You can mint them for free. They are currently it costs 1
Yeah,
cent.
it says it's like 10 cents. Yeah,
It's 1
worth of
cent
droplets.
actually. 10
Oh, okay.
droplets. One droplet is a tenth of a cent.
Okay.
So
okay.
it costs. So you just have to make a drip account, and because we issue art regularly on
Okay.
drip, and we have every 2 weeks or thereabouts. We issue one common, which anybody can
Yeah.
mint, and the common is just enough
Yeah.
for the purposes of this.
Okay.
Really not meant for us to make any money off
Right.
it. That 1 cent
Just
is
a
not
fun
going to make
onboarding
my life
process.
any different.
Yeah, no,
it's
no,
just
I got it.
to show that you're serious,
Okay.
and to take a look at the art,
Yeah.
because the art is done by we have a full-time artist on staff.
Okay. The step, so you guys know, like we said, so that was the join Discord is 1, 2, get the prospector role. That's what we've been talking about. 3, dig that hole and let people know you dug that hole. I don't know if I could dig a hole in my backyard. I'm gonna look around. I live in clay, just so you all know. It's very hard to dig, but I will do my best. 5, request your custom bin file. 6, flash your miner hardware, and then 7, connect and start mining. So there's not many more steps. Obviously, you need the bin file in order to flash the miner, I assume. And the hardware is just an ESP32, right? You have some with you, right?
Yeah, so there's a few. There's three inside here. We could.
Yeah, I went on Amazon. They usually come in a pack of 3, just like that. I think it's like 15, 16 bucks. Pretty easy to get. But what does it have to be
This is
plugged
how
in?
tiny
How
it
does it
is.
work exactly? What is?
So to flash, you just do it through your computer.
Okay.
So make sure you have a data cable
Okay.
to do that. And then once you've done that, just unplug it and plug it into the wall and just leave it there.
Okay.
You do need to have a 2.4 gigahertz internet connection. That's what gets some people.
So where do you enter stuff on your computer to tell it to use that to connect to the internet or what?
So the instructions are on docs.puredepin.com.
Okay.
So there it shows you how to go through the flashing process.
Okay.
And once you get your binary, what to do with it.
So not overly complicated.
Most people get through it.
Okay.
It's not a problem.
I will be trying this in the next week. If you guys want to see me do it in a video, please let me know in the comments below. Hey, thank you for talking to me. I really appreciate it. It was
You're
great
welcome.
meeting you. I see you have a pin of a shovel. That is awesome.
We're the shovel cult.
All
Miners
right.
dig holes.
All right. Thanks again, and you all have a great day.
Miners eat first.